Our top 5. Best Pool Vacuum. One number product. Poolmaster WaterTech Catfish. Poolmaster WaterTech Catfish has self-contained and works without cumbersome cords and hoses. Washable filter bag for leaves, twigs, and grass, and 2 disposable microfilter bags for fine debris. Detachable vacuum head with brushes and crevice nozzle, clean pools of any type and shape. Easy to hold handle. Also attaches to any standard telescopic pool pole. 2 number product. Zodiac Automatic Suction Side Pool Cleaner Vacuum. The Zodiac MX6 is a compact yet powerful, ultra-efficient, suction side pool cleaner that features best-in-class vacuum power and programmed navigation for a totally clean pool without all of the hassle. With an innovative low-flow design, it consumes less energy than any cleaner in its class, making it ideal for pools with 2-speed and variable speed pumps. The MX6 also incorporates cyclonic suction for powerful vacuuming and an articulating turbine blade for aggressive wall climbing. 3 number product. Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Robotic Pool. The Nautilus CC Plus has superior filtering capabilities. It traps and locks in all sorts of dirt and debris, so your pool is left exceptionally clean. Tangle-free cable allows the Nautilus CC Plus to move freely around the pool with ease. Nautilus CC Plus is perfect for all pool types. From gunite to tile, and everything in between, you name it, and Dolphin will clean it. 4 number product. Poolmaster Big Sucker Swimming Pool Leaf Vacuum. Poolmaster's Classic Collection offers a generous selection of performance and built-to-last products made from resilient components designed to keep your pool sparkling. Specially made for removing large leaves from all pools, the 15-inch diameter pool leaf vacuum and handle are made of durable ABS. Multi-directional wheels provide smooth maneuverability, while 8 high-pressure jets provide the water pressure needed for superior cleaning power. 5 number product. POOLWHALE's Portable Pool Vacuum. This easy-to-assemble underwater cleaner is simply powered by the water pressure from a garden hose. The water from the hose enters the vacuum and creates a suction effect, which pulls dirt and debris into the fine nylon mesh collection bag. No pump or filter is necessary. Saves water, no need to empty the pool to clean. Thanks for watching this video.